In this video, I will tell you how you can find and replace words in Microsoft Word. So the first method is just go on home and you will see editing option here. If you want to find any word, simply press find. You can see navigation part here. For example, I am going to find child. You can see child care. Similarly, they. See, you can see here 5 results that there are 5 they words in this document. And similarly, if you want to replace any word, click here on replace. So here you have to type what word you want to replace. For example, I have written they and replace with. It means what do you want to replace it with. For example, I am going to write here people. If you want to replace any single word, click here. And if you want to replace all, click here. Done. Now if we find, see, they has been replaced with people. The shortcut method for doing this is simply, for finding word is control plus F. See, you can find words from here. And if you want to replace words, then press control plus H. See, in this way replace and find method works.